Welcome to the channel, A Healin' here. This is going to be an insanely valuable lesson, so you're going to want to stay tuned for the entire video. I haven't seen any other publishers really talk about this on their channels or are willing to share this type of information publicly. In fact, this is a lesson I teach within one of my paid courses, so you're definitely going to find value in this. So, before I get into explaining why your Amazon ads fail, especially your Christmas and holiday campaigns, I want to draw your attention here. This is the top 100 best-selling books in the children's activity book category. You need to understand during the Christmas season, you're competing against authoritative figures and other big-name publishing houses or corporations bidding for the hottest keywords. Let's take a look. We can see, for instance, Dave Pilkey is in the number 3 spot for all children's activity books. He's a well-renowned American cartoonist behind several critically acclaimed successful children's books. Then we have Nina Ladin, who is another very successful illustrator. And of course we have J.K. Rowling, the creator of the Harry Potter series. If you've done your niche research, you know these are some of the biggest names in the space. The fact that J.K. Rowling's book is on the list should give you an indication of the type of competition you're up against. These competitors have an almost infinite marketing budget when compared to the average self-publisher. I'm talking about tens of thousands of dollars. So how can you compete as a self-publisher against people with such a large budget? Well, you're going to have to stop trying to compete for short-tail keywords, which are usually made up of 1 to 3 words. I'll show you what I mean. So, from my experience, I can generally speaking, during the holiday season, for most self-publishers, these keywords you bid for will run you in the red and make you unprofitable. So I would suggest turning them off or adding them to your negative keywords so Amazon doesn't use them. So let's go over them briefly. We have Christmas, Christma. I believe Christma is another variation or misspelling that customers type into the Amazon search engine. Harry Potter, children's books, Christmas book, coloring book, kid book, Minecraft, Paint by Sticker Kids, Star Wars, toys to toys. And the list goes on. And by now, I hope you can see the pattern or the idea of the types of keywords you're going to want to stay away from, right? So you want to avoid. So now you know what keywords to avoid this holiday season. But what about profitable keywords? Well, you're going to have to do some split testing and go for the low-hanging fruit. So you'll find some of the most obscure keywords your most profitable. Now I'm speaking from my personal experience. You're going to have to run your ad campaign for a week to collect some data. So after a week has passed, you can go into your ad campaign, turn off all the unprofitable keywords and collect the profitable ones and retarget them in a new campaign, right? So you're just going to go into your ad campaign, turn off all the unprofitable keywords, or you can even turn off that ad campaign and just collect the profitable keywords that are making you sales and making you a profit, and they're going to be very scarce in comparison to the keywords you put in to the Amazon campaign you put in initially. So you're going to collect those few keywords. They can be anywhere between maybe 5, 10, 15, and then you take those keywords and then you retarget them in a new campaign. So I hope that makes sense. That's how you're going to find success with Amazon marketing in 2020 and beyond, and especially during the holiday season. If you found this video helpful, please remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.